Hi everyone! Today I'm going to explain Selpib Speaking Task 3, the Describe a Scene question. If you already watched Task 1 and 2, that's awesome. Let's keep going. In Task 3, you'll see a picture on the screen, and your job is to describe everything you can see in detail. You'll have 30 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. Make sure to use all your time. If you stop too early, you might lose marks. Now, let's look at an example picture. In the Selpib test, you'll see a photo like this. When you get this kind of picture, look carefully and describe different parts of it. You can talk about what's happening in the center, on the left or right, and also in the front and back. Try to mention the people, their actions, colors, and objects you see. For example, you could start with, "In the center, I can see," or "On the left side, there's." You don't need to make up a story, just describe clearly what you see. Now, using the same picture we just saw, let's try to make a real example answer together. In the center of the picture, there's a man walking across the street. He's holding a cup of coffee and looks relaxed. He's wearing a light blue shirt, dark pants, and black shoes. On the left side, there's a bakery with a red and white striped shade above the window. In front of the bakery, two women are standing and talking. One woman is wearing sunglasses and carrying a yellow bag, and the other is wearing a red shirt and a dark skirt. They both seem to be enjoying their conversation. In the background, there's a yellow bus on the road, and behind it, you can see some tall buildings and green trees. On the right side, a mother and her young son are sitting on a wooden bench. The boy is happily eating an ice cream cone, and the mother is smiling gently. It looks like a warm, sunny day, and everything feels peaceful and friendly. Just a normal, happy moment in the city. See? That's how Task 3 works. Just describe what you notice clearly and naturally, and try to keep talking for the full 60 seconds. If you want to hear more example pictures and practice answers, check out my other Selpib speaking videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Selpib practice.